So apparently, our central midfielder here, Ravel Morrison, has finally signed a deal with Derby County. All right. Now we all know how complicated this deal has been, or how long and drawn out the situation has been due to some complications at Derby County. But coming out of the BBC News, it says Ravel Morrison, Derby signs ex-Manchester United midfielder on a one-year deal. The 28-year-old midfielder has been training with Wayne Rooney's Derby side since July and played in a number of preseason friendlies for the Rams. Morrison began his career with Manchester United after coming through the youth system and has played for West Ham, Birmingham, Queen's Park Rangers, and Cardiff City. He also was released by Dutch side ADO Den Haag in January this year. Morrison was at Pride Park after signing his contract to watch Derby take on Huddersfield in the Championship season opener. He follows Richard Stearman, Ryan Alsop, and Curtis Davis in agreeing the deal with the Rams. That article is basically concluded there. But this is good news. Good news for Ravel fans. Good news for Reggae Boyz fans, especially going into the World Cup qualification when we start in Azteca in about a month. So this is very, very good news. Hopefully, things can stabilize at Derby County and the player can have a good season and get his career back on track. So there you go, guys. Some good news to start off your day. All right. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.